Crest Magnet is computer science. Computer science is something that extends beyond just software and hardware with computers. It's more of a way of thinking. It's applying concepts to problem solving, where we can break down a problem and look at the components and then figure out how to put that back together. So of course we teach the basics as far as math and science and reading, and what we do here is provide them tools to break concepts apart, questions apart, and apply what they've learned through basic tools, through mathematical concepts, to identify a problem, and then maybe where an error is, and then how the pieces fit back together, and then maybe ask further questions about that. So again, not just at the technology side, but the problem solving side as well is a big part of that.
In addition to our typical specials that you see at an elementary school with art, music, and PE, because we are a computer science magnet, we also have computer science as one of the daily specials that they go to. And all of our students, grades K through 5, get to have that experience. So starting in kindergarten, our students learn coding, so they're going to be involved with a variety of different robotic programs that are going to be pretty basic to start off with, and then moving up to miniature robots that they're programming as well. And then we also have the only school in the district that has an esports lab. It's a really great opportunity for them to come in and learn a lot of different components of collaboration, what it looks like for technology, team building, that sort of thing.
The world is changing around us. We have to teach the kids to be ready for jobs that haven't even been created yet. And so that's what we're doing here. We're teaching them how to take the tools that they have and apply them to new and ever-changing situations.
Having that opportunity for them to learn with the use of technology differently and really problem solve, thinking about how computer science can help them become more critical thinkers, what that looks like as far as pulling things apart, putting it back together, then applying it back to technology. Their learning is really pushing them forward in ways that they didn't realize that they were going to be able to be before.